Welcome back, Future Medicos. I have been covering details related to various deemed universities in this series of videos. And today we will be looking at one of the deemed universities available in Karnataka. Come, let's go and see the details. In today's video, we will be looking at Sri Siddhartha Medical College and Hospital located at Tumkur in Karnataka. This medical college is affiliated to Sri Siddhartha Academy of Higher Education, which is a deemed to be university. And of course, under this deemed to be university, there is another medical college, which is also named Sri Siddhartha Medical College, which is located at T. Begur, closer to Bangalore. But in this video, we'll focus on the Tumkur campus of Sri Siddhartha Medical College. Now, the total number of seats available in this college for MBBS is 200 seats. And they are divided into two major categories. General category, we have 170 seats. And then NRI category, we have 30 seats. For 170 seats, that is the general category, there is no requirement. The only requirement is you should have cleared NEET exam. Other than that, there is no domicile. Any candidate can apply from anywhere in India. And similarly, for NRI category, the only requirement is you should have passed NEET and you should be eligible for the NRI seats. So you should be either NRI candidate, NRI sponsored candidate, PIO or OCI. All these candidates can compete for the 30 seats. Now, if you are interested in this particular medical college, you should register with Medical Counseling Committee and then participate in the All India Counseling conducted online. So the fees for general category, tuition fee is 17.75 lakhs per year. Other fees is 71,000 per year. University fee and welcome kit both are paid only for the first year at the time of admission, which is 50,000 each. So first year you will be paying 19.46 lakhs. From second year onwards, it will be 18.46 lakhs. So if you look at the total cost for studying medicine in this particular medical college under general category, it comes to roughly around 85 lakhs for the total cost. So the fees for NRI category is tuition fee is 40 lakhs per year. Other fees is 71,000. University fee 50,000. Welcome kit 50,000. So first year at the time of admission, you need to pay 41 lakhs 71,000. And from second year onwards, it will be 40.71 lakhs. So if you look at the total cost, it will come close to about 1.85 crores. So for general category, the total cost comes to about 85 lakhs, whereas for NRI category, it comes to 1.85 crores. Now let's also look at what is this welcome kit, why they are charging for the 50,000. They have also given the breakdown for this. Let's look at that. Now this is the student welcome kit, which is given by Siddhartha Medical College Tumkur. They are giving you textbooks, surgical instruments, stationery items, record books, log books, clothing, mattress and pillow, bone set, name plates and others. The details are also given like textbooks. You could see that there are certain textbooks for anatomy, certain textbooks for physiology, biochemistry, community medicine, some of the surgical instruments. They have given the details, what will be given, stationaries starting from pencil, color pencil, pencil pouch, pocket diary, stapler. I don't know why they have to give all these scissors. All these are given. Record books for anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, log books, again for anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, clothing, they provide apron, college t-shirt, cap, mattresses, mattress and pillow, backpack, water bottle, name plates, bone set. So it's almost like a complete set while you are joining. Maybe you can look at this and then avoid buying certain things before you go to the college. So hostel and mess fees, mess and establishment charges is 1.24 lakhs. Caution deposit is 1 lakh. So 1,24,000, the college fees is about 18.5 lakhs. So roughly about 20 lakhs is the cost for you. You need to budget for 20 lakhs. So looking at about 4.5 years, we are looking at about at least 90 lakhs would be the cost for you to complete course in this college. So budget around 90 to 95 lakhs. So that should be the cost for you to complete MBBS under general category. If you look at NRI category, the total cost may come somewhere around 1.85 to 1.95 crores. Let's look at the closing rank for getting a seat under general category in this college in the last 3 years. First, let's look at 2023. You could see that round 1 closed at 4,31,000. Round 2 closed at 4,02,000. Round 3 closed at 3,64,000. Stay round 1,93,000. Special stay round 1,56,000. So as you could see from round 1, it keep getting tougher and tougher and tougher, right? Round 1 was slightly easier, and then every round later on, it became much more difficult. Maybe because, right, candidates join, they may not be leaving. And then as more rounds become, there are more and more competition. People will try government colleges, private colleges, low fees colleges, and then they will come to deemed universities towards the round 3 and so on. So better if you have made up your mind for deemed universities, it's better to go in round 1. So look at what was the closing rank in 2021 and 22. We could see that 2,32,000, 2,61,000. So there was a huge drop in 2023, almost like close to about 1,70,000 ranks drop from 2022 to 23. One of the reasons is in 2023, the seats in Siddhartha Tumkur has increased from 150 to 200. There was a 50 seats increase, and in this general category, of course, about 43 seats has increased. So that could be one of the reasons for a huge drop in the rank. So if you are in this range, right? So if you are in like 3 lakhs to 4.5 lakhs rank, there may be a good chance to get in this particular medical college. So you can give it a try. Now, of course, closing score may not be very relevant, but you could see that it varied somewhere between 300 to 400 marks. Keep that in mind. This year, the score might be completely different. So look at the rank. If you are in this rank, maybe it can be hopeful. Now, no one can predict exactly what would be the closing rank this year. So don't ask that question. I cannot answer you. If you ask me, oh, my rank is 4,50,000, will I get a seat? I don't know. If you ask me, my rank is 3 lakhs, will I get a seat? I also don't know, because all these numbers might fluctuate every year. Because last year, if someone asked, and then we look at 2,61,000 and then say, oh, until 3 lakhs you will get, you could see that there was a huge drop. 1.7 lakhs ranks has dropped in 1 year. So this year it may drop or it may come back again. Nobody knows. So all you need to do is look at all these details and then, right, prepare your list of choices, add as many colleges as possible, and then put the colleges in the order of your priority. That's what is important, rather than looking at whether I will get this college, whether I will get that college, whether this score is sufficient, whether that score is sufficient. Nobody can predict all this. Okay, if you ask me the question, I'm not going to give you a good answer, right? It's not possible to give you a good answer. So NRI quota, of course, the cost is 40 lakhs per year. So it was not that popular. A pass mark was sufficient in 2021, 22 and 23. So anyone who applied, they were able to get a seat in all the 3 years. So if you are really having a very low score, like maybe like 160, 165 kind of score, then you can straight away go first round, you should be able to get a seat. And then the disclaimer, of course, the fee is displayed at the college website. I have presented for your easier understanding. And similarly, the cutoff ranks or closing ranks, the data has been collected from MCC website. I hope that information is useful. Thank you. Bye-bye.